Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing well, guys. Today I am going to create this particular look. This is my variation of a corporate office look. I've used less products and it's a very easy and quick look to do. Trust me, creating this look hardly takes any time. Before I begin the tutorial, I'm going to tell you a little about the lipstick which I am going to use for today's look. The lipstick that I'm wearing is from Plum's latest Matterrific lipstick range. Plum has launched a brand new range of matte lipsticks, guys, and the shades are beautiful. These lipsticks are so light on the lips that you really can't feel anything on your lips. They're lightweight, they give one swipe pigmentation, and they are quite nourishing. Each lipstick is infused with so many nourishing ingredients. It's got shea butter, almond oil, macadamia nut oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, and vitamin E, making it truly skin loving. This entire range is 100% vegan and cruelty free, and it's also paraben, talc, and phthalates free. These lipsticks glide beautifully on the lips. You don't have to struggle with it at all. The pigmentation is spot on and the final finish is perfectly smooth and matte. It does feel really good on the lips. Now I'm going to show you the swatches of these lipsticks and also lip swatches of my top favorite colors from this range. These are the first 5 hand swatches. I'll go from top to bottom. Pull Me Rosa, Peach Please, Give Me Mauve, Blush Hour, and Go Rouge. And these are the next 5 swatches. Upside Brown, Jazzberry, Date Night, Fairy Kiss, and Bold School. All the 10 shades in this range are stunning and there's definitely a shade for everyone, guys. These are some really nice, comfortable and lightweight lipsticks. I definitely recommend that you check them out. You can also use my code Shivangi10 to get 10% off on Plum's website. You will find all the links in the description box below. Now without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. Let's begin, guys. I'm going to keep the prep really simple. If possible, please do your skincare in the morning because skincare takes time to settle down in your skin. And for primer, I'm actually going to use M.A.C Fix Plus. This product is not just a makeup fixer, it can work as a primer as well. I'm going to let this dry down first. It will take just a minute. Now we're going to start with the concealer. I'm not using any foundation for this look. All we're going to do is just cover certain darker areas of the face and give it an even tone. We're not going to add too many layers or anything. This makeup is going to be very light. I'm using Huda Beauty Luminous Concealer. You can of course choose any concealer of your choice. Also, if you've got like acne or zits on your face, then you can cover them lightly with the concealer. Now let's blend this. Once you're done blending your concealer, just run that brush all over your face so that there are no streaks on your skin, To set this, I'm going to use Sephora Mineral Compact. You can of course choose any compact of your choice. Next, I'm going to fill up my eyebrows, and for that I'm using Precisely My Brows by Benefit. I genuinely think that filling up the eyebrows makes so much of difference in any look, and in a good way, like not in a bad way, in a good way. Now we're going to set the eyebrows with e.l.f. Brow Gel so that they don't move around. For eyes, again, we are going to take a very simple route. For blush today, I'm going to use M.A.C Gingerly, and this is like a beautiful muted brownish peach blush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this blush on my eyelids as well. I'm not going to build the color too much. I'm just going to add like a flush of color on the eyelids. Only this much. To ensure that the crease is blended properly and it is not looking too dark, I'm going to take my compact again, dip my fluffy brush in it and run it on my crease. I'm showing you a small additional step over here. I have this e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this darkest brown color on this palette. You can take a dark brown color from any eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this color on an angular brush. I'm going to apply it near my lash line. This is like an eyeliner, but it is very light because we've used an eyeshadow for this. It only adds like a nice definition to your eyes. It's optional. If you want to do it, only then go for it. I'm done, and this is how my eyelids are looking at this point of time. Now I'm going to add a mascara. I'm using Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Now let's apply the blush, M.A.C Gingerly. If at any point you feel that your blush is patchy or it is too much or it's not blended properly, like how I'm feeling right now, you can grab your compact, take a bit of it on a brush and apply it around the blush or on top of it if you feel like, you know, you've applied a bit too much. Also, I just want to mention that because I'm explaining each and every step to you, that's why it's sounding like it's a lot, but it's actually not. This is super quick makeup. For lips, I've chosen the shade Pull Me Rosa from Plum's Matterrific lipstick range. Lastly, setting spray. Setting spray melts all the powdery products that you apply on your skin and makes your makeup look natural. This is the final look, guys. We've come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I just want to add that office makeup will always be subjective. You know, this is just one of my variations for office makeup, but it definitely depends on a lot of factors and your place of work. So you can of course add or subtract things to this kind of a look according to your preferences. Yeah, that was all that I wanted to tell you. I am gonna sign off now and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.